descriptions that you can find for what we did today can be found in the links below me. Hello YouTube fans, we are going to be doing molecular gastronomy by Cuisine R-Evolution using eggnog to make spherification with calcium lactate and sodium alginate. For the bath water, we use sodium alginate. And for the eggnog, we use calcium lactate. Okay, and then we're gonna put our eggnog with 1 teaspoon and put it inside our bath water. When doing this, I'd recommend tilting the bowl, then gently putting it in all at once. Like that. And then wait a minute until doing it and kind of do the next one. After we have waited 3 minutes, we are going to take them out and put them inside a bowl of nice cool water. And stir it so it could get rinsed. And then we will take it out and put it, and then we will take it out. So here are 3 sizes that I have made so far. And this is how they look when they are separate. You can move them around, but they are very fragile, so they could pop easily. Cuisine R-Evolution. It is a good set.